Galway Harbour. The harbour can be used by vessels up to 10,000 tonnes. Pending approval, Galway Harbour will see major changes over the coming years, with a €1.5 billion development planned. This plan includes the harbour facilitating the docking of passenger cruise liners, who was a founding member of the United Irishmen and leader of the Irish Rebellion of 1798. In the same year, he was captured by the British and he died before his scheduled execution. Positioned on the bridge is what's known locally as the Poacher's Tower. The watchtower is the only building of its kind in Ireland. As we enter the Claddagh out to our left over the river, you will see the Spanish Arch. This is one of Galway's most historic landmarks and was built in the 1580s as an extension of the city's medieval walls, spanning from Martin's Tower to here, at the bank of the Corrib, to protect merchant ships from looting. Originally called ships that docked in Galway Harbour. Behind the Spanish Arch is the Galway City Museum. This is a state-of-the-art museum and with free entry is well worth a visit. The row of colourful houses to the right of the museum is known as the Long Walk. Built in the 18th century by the Eyre family of Airport, it is seen on many postcards and advertisements of Galway. Located in County Clare and is one of the largest karst landscapes in Europe. The region measures approximately 250 square kilometres and is rich with historical and archaeological sites. There are over 90 ancient... James Lynch, who also acted as magistrate, convicted his own son for the killing of a Spanish man. Although Lynch had the power to reprieve his son, he could not go back on his word, as to do so would have shown weakness.